Good morning and happy Wednesday to you, my friends. So, if everyone can please stand up and remember that left is green and right is red. And which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag. And let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All righty, my friends, it is now time for us to do our recitation. Remember, very first thing we do with recitation is the title and the author. Your eyes are on the audience, and the audience's eyes are on you. And friends, when you are doing recitation, you are standing nice and nice and tall, and your hands are either correct again at your sides, in your pockets, or behind your back. So let's go ahead and do March is recitation. So here we go. I meant to do my work today by Richard Le Gallienne. I meant to do my work today, but a brown bird sang in the apple tree, and a butterfly flitted across the field, and all the leaves were calling me, and the wind went sighing over the land, tossing the grasses to and fro. And a rainbow held out its shiny hand. So what could I do but laugh and go? And make sure that you take your bow. All right, friends, let's go ahead and do morning meeting. And of course, the very first thing we do, friends, is we see who our student of the day will be today. So we know that yesterday's student of the day was Slaka. So let's see who it will be today. Today's student of the day is Reese Conklin. Come on up, Reese. And of course, if Reese was here, the very first thing Reese would do is turn the clock to morning because we do not come to school at night. And then Reese would write his first and last name, but because Reese is not here, Mrs. Harrow will do that for him. So we are going to write Reese Conklin. And then Mrs. Harrow would give Reese a student of the day sticker. And I would finally give him a pointer and say, young man, you are on. And knowing Reese, the very first thing Reese would say to us is, today is my birthday. So, yet today is Reese's birthday. So, happy birthday, Reese. When we meet during live session, we'll sing happy birthday to you. All right, Reese? So, we'll see you in just a little bit. So, go ahead. All right. So, Reese would say, if it wasn't his birthday, this whole thing is called a calendar. And this here is called a month. And what month are we in? March. And this here is called the year. And what year are we in? 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday was Tuesday, then that means that today is Wednesday. But let's just double check. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And how many days are in a week? 7 days in a week. And let's go ahead and recite the months of the year, beginning with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now, friends, it looks like we have a number day missing, so let's go ahead and count and see what it is. 1, 2, 3. Do we know what pattern is to follow here? Not yet. We're not sure what our pattern is going to be, but we do know that this is a number 3. And look here. Our pattern seems to be A, B, B. Not sure about tomorrow. It could either stay A, B, B, or it can change to A, B, B, C. Not sure. We'll know for a fact tomorrow, but for right now, we know that this is A, B, B. So let's see what we have here. Hexagon, parallelogram, parallelogram. Hopefully by tomorrow we'll know. So let's go ahead and help Reese with the letters in the month of March. Very first letter will be capital M. And remember when we are doing Danielian M's, our little peak stops at the dotted line. Okay. Danielian A, R, C, and finally H. And remember, C and H make the ch sound. And then we're going to, of course, finger space. And what digit am I writing today? A number 3 followed by a, yep, comma is a comma number. Nope, it is a space. And please help me with the digits in the year. 2, 0, 2, 1. And let's go ahead and read today's date with Reese. Today's date is Wednesday, March 3rd, 2021. Now, friends, if yesterday we were here 125 days, what would today be? Well, what comes after 25? 25, 20, 26. So we're going to add 100 to the front of that. So that's 126. So let's go ahead and we're going to draw out our, this is getting heavy, our great big bundle of 100. And we're going to follow with Mr. 10. So this is 100, 110, 120, 100. I think we need Mrs. Ones now. 121, 122, 120, hold on, 23, 124, 125, 126. And we'll stop right there. So now let's go ahead and graph these on our days in school graph. So in our days in school graph, we know that we are going to add 1 to our 100ths column. Then for Mrs. 10, we are going to add, well, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Ooh. So we'll write the number 2 there. And then in Mrs. 1's column, let's see what we have. Oh, look here, my friends. Hold on just a tad. We have 3 plus 3 equals 6 kicks. So we're going to write a number 6 in Mrs. 1's column. So now let's look to see if our days in school tag matches our graph. Do we have one great big bundle of 100s? Do we have 2 Mr. 10s? Do we have 6 Mrs. 1s? So how many days have we been in school? 126. That is a whole lot of days, friends. Excellent. All right, let's go ahead and do our coin cup, coin cup. And today, friends, it seems that there are a lot more pennies in our coin cup. And of course, I am going to drop the coins into our coin cup, and I will need you to count with me as we do tally marks. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tally up 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oops, tally up 10. But I think I added an additional one. Let me just double check, friends. Okay, because I don't want to undercount it. Yep, I did. Okay. All right. Hold on. 11, 12, 13, 14, tally up 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, tally up 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, tally up 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, tally up 30. All right, so remember, friends, when we see these bundles, we count by fives. 1, 2, 3, 4, tally up 5. So let's count and see what we have. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So 30 tally marks and 30 cents. All righty, friends, it is now time for our mystery bag. Dun, dun, dun. So please go ahead and turn on your morning meeting brains and listen to my clues. So friends, today in my mystery bag, I first placed 10 red linking cubes. So I want you to picture that. Okay. I then place 3 green linking cubes in my mystery bag. I want to know how many more red than green linking cubes are in my bag. So listen again. So today in this lovely mystery bag, I first placed 10 red linking cubes. Put that in your mind. I then added 3 green linking cubes. I want to know how many more reds than greens are in my mystery bag. How many more Reese, it's your birthday. What do you think? Do you think that you can guess what that is? How many more reds do we have? 7? I don't know. Let's see. So here we have our 10, but let's just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then here we have 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's put them side by side and double check. All right, so we know that these two have a partner, these two have a partner, these two have a partner. But look here, all of these other ones, all of these do not. Let's count and see what it is. 1, 2, I'll put here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ta-da! You were correct, my friend. There are 7 more red Blinky cubes than there are green. Great job on that. All right, so let's go ahead and do our counting. All right, so let's go ahead and start by counting tens. Here we go. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Excellent. Let's go ahead and count even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Very, very good. Let's go ahead and count by fives. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Let's go ahead and count by odds. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Counting by 100s. 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. That was fantastic. And let's go ahead and sing our coin song. So everybody, please get your beautiful voices ready. How much is a penny? How much is a nickel? How much is a dime? How much is a quarter? A penny is 1. A nickel is 5. A dime is 10. And a quarter's 25. And a dollar is 100 cents. Very, very good. Great job, my friends. Now let's go ahead and look at today's pattern. Today's pattern, I think, is going to be bing, bang, boom, lickety, split. Let's look at it really, really quickly. 25, 30, 35. What are we counting by? We are counting by fives. 25, 30, 35. What goes there? Ariana, 35. Okay, Ariana says 40. All right, let's go back. 25, 30, 35, 40. Corwin, what goes here if we're counting by fives? 45. Okay, Corwin says 45. Okay, let's go back. 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Everybody shout it out. 45. Correct. 50. That was really, really loud. Great job, my friends. 50. We have now completed today's pattern. So let's go ahead and look at our digital clock. Digital clock reads 2:30, or another name is 2:30. Analog clock reads 10:30 or 10:30. The red hand is the hour hand and the blue hand is the minute hand. So the first thing we have to do is let's look for 2:00. So you guys tell me when to stop. Okay? Okay, I will stop right there. So there's 2:00. Now we have to find 2:30. So pay attention to the minute hand. The hour hand. Sorry about that. Pay attention to the minute hand. Hour hand. Sorry. Keep watching what is happening as I am drawing nearer to the halfway point. Okay, we're going to stop right there. Minute hand is on the 6. The hour hand is no longer on the 2. The hour hand is now between the numbers 2 and 3. So it is now 2:30 or 2:30. Great job. All right, let's look at our hundreds chart. And we're going to add 10 to a number. Yesterday we added 10 to a number with the number 9. Which one do I want to do today? Let's do the number 3. So here we go. 3, 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, 93. Excellent. That was fantastic, my friends. All right. So for morning meeting today, don't forget to bring your class fact practice sheet. And don't forget to bring your whiteboard. All right. So we will see you guys in just a little bit. All right, friends. Bye.